All right, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to welcome you to Times 40 Under 40. Ladies and gentlemen, can I hear a big round of applause for everybody? Right, ladies and gentlemen, can I hear a big round of applause? Please welcome Anupam Kherji. Can you all stand up?
Silence is golden. No, I'm very happy to be here. You have a great sense of humor. You are very infectious in your warmth towards people, I'm sure. And you must be a good husband.
Single still? Anybody single?
Okay, so he is a good candidate for anybody who's looking for... Did you ask for that?
Yes, sir.
You asked for that. Okay. No, I'm happy. He's a good man. Thank you. Yeah. बहुत कुछ बोलने का दिल कर रहा मैंने पर मैंने कहा कि silence is, golden. So let's give it.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of him. Put your hands together for Anupam Kherji. Sir, my only question to you is, how tall are you?
6.2.
Do you look down on people all the time? Hello? He's looking down on people all the time.
That height is because of the hair. We are also 6.2.
You said it. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Keep shining. Thank you. You know, all the gentlemen out here, when a lady walks up, apart from looking very intently, you're also supposed to applaud. Right? Yeah, like now. Let's hear. Thank you so much. Pranita, how lofty is that? Incredible. You giving back to the society. Would you like to thank somebody? Say something. Thank you. You noticed. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pranita. Notice I asked her 2 questions that were strictly, ladies and gentlemen, in honor of her achievement. Yeah.
What is it that makes you ask 2 questions from a young lady who's beautiful and tell others, just say thank you, just say thank you? Tell me, answer that question, please. What's her charity work? Was it the dress that she's wearing? Or was it that she's an actress? What is it that made you say more than one son thank you? This is a question I'm asking on behalf of all those people who we said, thank you bolo, thank you bolo.
And there are 2 reasons why. I did this, Pranita. Yeah, not just 1, 2 reasons. Number 1 is I saw emotions inside her. You know, I saw her voice querying. And second reason,
She did not see those emotions in her in any case.
That's why I'm always single. Never mind. Second reason, I saw a naughty twinkle in his eye when I went closer to ask. I knew he would pick on me. I knew he would ask this question. He's sharp. Put your hands together for him. I knew he would ask me. I also saw the letter that you posted on Instagram from the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause. Those accolades, it was incredible. So how do you feel reading about the accolades about you as an author, about your work? Especially, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you, COVID is a really bad time, right? It bogs you down. I mean, you don't know what to do. You're down. But here he is. He sat down, written a book that helps us come out of that dire mess, that will inspire us to get on with life. So could you speak a little bit more about your book?
Thank you. Yes, when I came back from New York to Mumbai, when the pandemic was announced, it was a sense of fear that I had when I came to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Airport in Mumbai. I had never seen the streets of Mumbai so deserted, and I never felt that in my own house I will be a kind of a captive, because my son said that I will only give you an elbow bump and then he will sort of shut his door. And in that, to overcome my own fear, I started writing my thoughts on what I'm going through. And I'm an eternally optimistic person. I needed to find some silver linings during these dark clouds, and I started penning down my thoughts, and it came across as a book. And my publisher was saying, what should we call our book? And I thought of thousands of titles. But then I remember when I was a school boy, a 5th grade boy, me and my brother were escorted by my mother to our local school, and she used to drop us at the gate of of the school, and in Kashmiri she used to say, Chon azuk dochu sarniko John, which meant your best days today. So I thought, what better title than the book my mother used to say years before. And I had sent a copy to Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, and I was very surprised day before yesterday in the night to get his beautiful, brilliant, one full-page letter where he has reviewed the book and called it excellent, and so I'm humbled and I feel honored. Thank you. Yes.
This award goes to Aviva Bidapa. Can I hear? Aviva, before you go, what does this award mean to you? You're looking lovely this evening.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Aviva, I read people's faces. So something tells me that you're in a hurry to leave to Chikmagalur. Am I correct?
How did you know that?
Yeah, I can read people's eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Aviva Bidapa in the house. Thank you so much. Fantastic. Thank you, sir. So a few things to learn. First of all, thank you, wife. You'll get your dinner on time as well. No fight. Second thing, see, I'm also a teacher. Anupam sir is also a teacher. Always equating people, trying to be equal to you, sir. Watch out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, before you go, all the awardees, make sure that you utilize the moment. When you come out here, you receive an award from Anupam Kherji. You stand for some time, look into the photograph. Remember, you want to use these pictures, right? You want to use this on Insta. You want to use this
A
pictures
very
on Facebook.
special moment.
Do you use your own products?
Obviously, yeah.
Yes?
I have no choice.
You're glowing. You look amazing. When you look at her, you know the product works. You want to buy it. Congrats. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Yes. You want to say something about your husband? Yeah, is he a nice guy? I mean, is all his success because of you? I mean, you want to take it all? Take it all. Did you practice all this? So, I don't know. If you're in the healthcare, I have one advice to you. Never call people to your hospital. You know why people go to hospitals. Thank you.
I believe a lot in naturopathy and such alternate medicines. I would love to come when I'm healthy.
See, always standing by your product in hospital. Put your hands together for them. That's why she's winning an award. Thank you so much. Ladies, what my friend, I think, notice how I called him my friend. He owns a lottery company. What did you expect? Okay, so you know what I'm going to do, Jose? I'm going to come backstage and talk to you. Stay in the show. Thank you so much. Put your hands together. I apologize. Look at the men. They're so chivalrous. All the men who come with ladies have always passed the mic on to the ladies. Big round of applause. Yes. I see that the minute she got emotional, she's about to break down, Pankaj just put his hand around like this. Behram, you think you can get away with this? No, we want to hear you sing a couple of lines. Thank you.
Thank you.
On that cue, we're going to let him go. Calm down. Everybody. Wow, you're an amazing audience. Thank you so much. I saw you do Namaste. It's really nice. I want to ask you, do you have a car? Yeah, you have a car? You have a car? Ladies and gentlemen, she's got car and she's also got sanskar. Big round of applause. Yeah. Thank you so much. Just kidding.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. That's nice. Thank you, Neeta. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on. Sanjit, did you force people at Netflix to say, until you cast me as the lead actor, I'm not going to sing? No? They saw you and said, you are my lead man. Wow, you're incredible. You deserve it. Put your hands together for him. Let's do this. He was the most desirable man 2019. All right? Is he still the most desirable man 2020? How many of you put your hands up? Say, yay. Okay, guys, how many of you think I'm the most desirable man? Okay, stop it. Let's not. Put your hands together. Behram Singapore. He's got 2 national awards, 8 Filmfare awards. And ladies and gentlemen, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan. But Anupam Ji is not the kind of person who will rest on his laurels. I've been watching his videos. I've been watching him. And he says, I am just getting started. Oh my God. Come on, guys, a big round of applause. What do you say to that? Anupam Ji, such an honor to have you out here with us this evening. Time to say goodbye, sir. Would you like to say something before you say goodbye?
I love that I've done so much of work, but I don't like to be called a legend. I will always be a newcomer. Thank you so much.